Hi guys, in this video you'll see my attempt at installing carpet on stairs for the first time. After cutting the tackless strips to size, I hammer the strips into place. Next, I cut the padding and lay them flush against the tackless strips. I staple the padding to the steps. Now I'm going to cut the carpet to size. I cut the carpet half an inch wider than my staircase. This task would be a lot easier with a carpet knee kicker, but I didn't plan on doing a similar project again, so I didn't want to buy one. Instead, I'm using the carpet stair tool as much as possible. Now I'm stapling the carpet to the steps. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps inspire you to tackle your carpeting projects. Please comment, like, and subscribe.